Hello guys, so I just want to quickly show you some of the trade setup I have seen on the US dollar pairs. Now, from the last analysis I submitted, the fundamental analysis, you see that US dollar is one of the strongest currency this period. And I was telling us to wait for good setup. So quickly, I want to look at four of the US dollar pairs: Euro USD, Pound USD, USDCHF, and USD Japanese yen. All right, so looking at the USD Japanese yen, I marked this level and I told people in my community to watch. Once the trade gets to that place and show bearish price action, they can take the trade. And what we are seeing here is that the trade is currently at that level because I used the Fibonacci retracement and I took this level and I marked it down to here. Okay, so I was expecting a reversal when it hit the 61.8, and that is what we are seeing right now. So if you are active, you can take that trade. Ensure proper risk management. I'm actually giving you this as my trade ideas, not a guarantee. Okay, you have to do standard risk management. That is for Euro US dollar. Now for Pound USD, Pound US dollar, this is what I saw. Right, so this trade actually has been a little bit stressful on me, but I'm actually still looking for the sell setup. So from here, the market dropped, came to this level, dropped again, then traded back to that trend line, and that looks like a good place. I was initially looking at this level, which I took some trades, and stop loss was above there, but it hit me out. Now at this level, I feel like this is a very good place to execute the trade. So if you are executing this trade, the distance to your stop loss should not be very big. Okay, you can keep stop loss there, then target around here. That is going to be a very good trade if all things goes equal. And you need to ensure standard risk management, as I always emphasize. Remember, these are US dollar pairs. If you have taken one US dollar pair or two, you should just stay away from the remaining. Now, the next one is US dollar CHF. You can also see that the dollar CHF is one of the trades that we are looking at. Okay, so this is what I have seen. I'm waiting for it at this level. Okay, so if you take the Fibonacci retracement from this low and you take it up to that high, this level here coincides with the 61.8 fib level, and there is also a gap. So once it closes that gap, I'm going to execute that trade. But what we are seeing here, if you go to 1 hour time frame, you will observe that there is already bullish price action beginning to happen, but I will still wait for it to settle around here before executing that trade. All right, standard risk management is always encouraged at every point of what we are doing. Stop loss can be below this level, but you will wait for bullish price action first. Okay, I like to end my analysis at the 4 hour time frame so that I don't run into noise. So watch that level. Now, the final one right now is the US dollar Japanese yen. From our analysis, we saw that US dollar is actually is getting strength, and Japanese yen is expected to be weak in the coming period. Right, so I'm actually waiting for it at this level. Let it close this little gap we have there, then come here. If it hits this level and show reversal sign 144.76, that is a good place for me to look for a trade. Okay, because I use the Fibonacci retracement. This is the tool I mostly use for my technical analysis. Okay, so once the trade comes and settle at this level and gives me bullish price action, maybe bullish engulfing candle or tweezers top, tweezers bottom, all that, I can execute the trade from here and go on with the proper risk management. So those are the trade setup. I want you to look at this setup also as you are trading, and if they are good, you can take them. Ensure strict management. These are just trade ideas. There are no guarantees that it is going to play out. Thank you for watching. This trade, I had to record this video very quick. There was no time for me to actually edit the video, so you can follow it along. If you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment and I'll be very glad to answer you. Okay, if you are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. You can also find a link in the description of this video to join the free Telegram WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel, where I share some of the ideas when I'm trading. All right, see you in the next video. Bye for now.